Now let's see how to improve the experience of using SpinPlayer. Let's go back to the main screen of the player and load some songs. By clicking on a song label, you access a dedicated screen where you can add or modify some descriptive details of the song in question and set volume and equalization parameters for its playback. In particular, we can change the title and the author. We can then assign a graphic icon representing a particular phase of the training you are planning and that you want to perform with the rhythm and sound of this song. For example, in the playlist that we now have on the screen, you can see a first warm-up phase, followed by a plane, a climb, and a final cooldown. In this way, when you need to find a suitable playlist for a certain training session or other type of activity, it will be useful, first of all, to choose it based on its duration and textual description indicated on the corresponding label. Then, once loaded in the player, you can check the list of the labels of the tracks contained. With the various category icons associated with the songs, it will be easy for you to see the various phases of warm-up, effort, recovery, etc., contained in that particular playlist. Let's go back to the detail screen of a song. Let's postpone again, at a next tutorial, the description of the management of the equalization levels. And let's focus instead on the small horizontal volume selector, indicating an interval from -15 to +15. This allows us to vary the relative volume level for this particular song during the playback of the playlist it belongs to. The button with the classic play icon at the bottom allows you to pre-listen the song. For example, if we set a value of +2, it means that when the time comes to play this song, the master volume level set in the device will be raised by 2 units, and then brought back to its original level at the end of the song playback. Note the relative volume indicator at the bottom right of the song label. This mechanism makes it possible to overcome the unpleasant situation in which one or more tracks of a playlist have a recording volume that is too low or too high compared to the other tracks. Obviously, if the master volume, set in the device, was already at a maximum level while playing a playlist, any increase in the relative volume for a certain song would have no effect.